Vegan cooking blogs are exploding right now, but let's be real. Most people spend more time writing the post than making the food. Do you see this blog? It has step-by-step instruction with images and SEO perfectly in place, even FAQs added at the bottom of your blog with infographics and YouTube videos. I didn't type a single word myself. Autoblogging.ai did, and this blog was done in under 3 minutes, and let me show you how. After you log in, on your left panel, there are going to be different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulge, and did. I'm going to go with wizard. This is where we set up exactly how we want our vegan cooking blog to look and read. Article title, I'm going to type here, vegan cooking made easy, 12 plant-based recipes for beginners. Next. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can publish plant-based recipes for audience worldwide. For the length, medium works best, enough space to cover each recipe with ingredients, instructions and tips. But here's what others do. Short is great for a quick tip like a top 5 list, and long is great for an in-depth, detailed recipe breakdowns with variations. Now for the type of the article, I'm going to choose listicle. So each recipe gets its own numbered section and images. But here's what other options do. Informative teaches one cooking method or concept. Places is a list of vegan-friendly restaurants or markets in that particular area. And service by landing pages is great for promoting vegan cooking classes or catering services. Here I'm going to pick a second person, so it speaks directly to the reader. But first person is more like a storytelling style, and third person is more neutral and a formal tone. Next, for the writing style, I'm going to keep it conversational because I need the blog to be friendly and easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Auto is where AI chooses the best style according to the topic. Less AI word is more neutral and natural and gives a human-like flow. Premium style 1 is a stronger SEO structure. Snippet optimizer is perfect for Google featured snippets. Witty is more a playful and a fun tone, and professional is clean brand safe style. Conversational. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intents optimize article. It strengthens keyword placement for vegan cooking topics. FAQs will add common vegan cooking questions that is already people that are asking on Google. AI images will add beautiful visuals of each dish, and infographics will display a quick tip or a nutritionist breakdown. Next, SERP analysis. Now it makes your blog follow the structure and style of the top ranking post. So it's most likely to rank on Google. I'm just going to enable this, and in the source context box you can type how you want your article to be, and also select the country where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition. It follows the same structure as top ranking blogs, so your layout works as well as theirs. External link will add links to trusted vegan sources for credibility. YouTube videos will keep the reader engaged for longer with the recipe demo, and key takeaways will add a quick summary so readers and Google get the main points fast. Next, AI proofreading. Just enable this and quickly leave a note here. So it polishes the grammar, flow and readability, so it's ready to publish. And next, internal linking. Now if you already have a vegan related blogs like a plant-based desserts or a meal prep, just enable this and quickly paste your domain here. The system will automatically link relevant keywords in this blog to those particular posts, which will keep the readers on your site for longer. Human proofreading. Now this is optional, but for an extra layer of quality, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. And you will need a human proofreading credits for this, which you can always purchase from the dashboard. Just click on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and click on the view like icon there, and your fully optimized vegan recipe blog is done and ready to publish. And if you want to be quicker next time, just go to quick and single mode and just enter your blog title. With a fewer clicks, your article will be generated. And you can also use a bulk generate option where you can generate a whole vegan recipe series in one go, and you can even auto post it to WordPress. Vegan recipes deserves to be seen, and with Autoblogging.ai, they can be online, optimized and beautifully presented in minutes and not hours. And if you're busy running your business or working on your next big project, you can use our Done For You blog service where we'll create and optimize the entire blog for you. And if this video helped you, give it a like, hit a subscribe, and follow us for more AI powered blogging tips.